The tradition of christening a boat with a bottle of champagne has been around for centuries. Building or buying a new house usually involves a housewarming party or gifts.
So I believe it's only fitting to christen a new shop, well, new to me shop, with a burnout. Welcome everyone to the new Solo Rooster Garage Shop.
Every video from when I started this channel all the way back in 2018 until about October of 2024 was filmed in my parents' garage. Huge thanks to them for letting me make my many messes in there for over 6 years. In that time, we rebuilt the front suspension on the Sport Track, did some engine repairs, upgraded lights on the wagon, prepped the Mustang for multiple race weeks, and rebuilt the engine on the John boat. Now it's time for a new era. July 2024, I officially purchased a house, and it came with this awesome shop space. Now I no longer have to kick my dad out of his parking space for my projects. You may have seen bits and pieces of the shop in some of the previous videos, but this is the official announcement video. The main structure of the shop is 40 feet deep by 26 feet wide.
The previous owner walled off the back 16 feet to use as a wood shop. I am turning that into my own mechanical room slash welding area. Over here will eventually be the welding area once it's all set up. I'm still kind of organizing and cleaning. Along this back wall we'll kind of have the drill press and the bench grinder and maybe some storage. The toolboxes fit really nicely along that far wall there, so that's where they'll stay. The previous owner left all this awesome shelving for me, so now I can store lots and lots of car parts. Through the store, this area, the parking area, used to be fully uninsulated. It was just the shell for parking. So I got a couple of my buddies involved, and they graciously and willingly helped me wall and insulate the walls and the ceiling all the way up to the tippy peak. So now I've got storage on storage on space on storage. The end goal is to get rid of all this floor-based storage and to do more above head so I have plenty of floor space. I think there's enough floor space here to fit 3 vehicles wide, very tightly, but it could fit for storage. But now that I have space for storage, that means more projects. Dora is my 2001 Ford Explorer Sport Track that helped kind of put this channel on the map. She's sitting on some 35-inch Kenda Cleaver RTs, a 3-inch body lift, a diff locker in the rear, and also 513 gears front and back. With a little over 200,000 miles on the clock, it's made the trip to Sand Hollow twice now. Well, mostly twice. The end of the second trip, it kind of up and died on me. But that issue got fixed, and now it's back to running better than ever. And it's ready to hit the sand once again. Some future projects are going to be some rock sliders up here, and those have actually kind of started right there. We also might try and fit a winch inside the front bumper up here, basically getting rid of that bull bar, maybe putting a winch there instead. The center console here is a project I've been trying to work on for a few years. I'd like to get that all finished up and wrapped up. And I'd also eventually like to throw a full locker into the front differential on this thing. And if the engine blows up again, we might look into a powertrain swap. Who knows? You know, I think I could make a Godzilla fit. Shouldn't we try it?
Up next is my 2007 Mustang GT California Special. It's done 5 race weeks now, including placing 3rd in its class during Mega Week 2025. It's still running the stock 4.6-liter 3-valve engine with the 5-speed manual transmission. I don't have any real plans to change that at the moment, as it's a complete and stable vehicle. Just enough power to have fun but not be stupid. There's a couple maintenance items to do before the next race week, but that's a few months away as of filming. Plenty of time.
Lastly, it's the 2002 Passat GLX 4Motion wagon. You know, this started out as just a $350 beater for myself, and it's turned into my lifted daily driver. In the 7 years I've owned it, I've just had to replace the heater core, do some valve cover gaskets, re-weld the exhaust, do some spark plugs, replace the brakes, a transmission flush, update some of the lighting, and replace the thermostat housing. You know, I just threw on a second set of tires as well. That's been it for the main maintenance stuff. Over the past couple years, I've been toying with the idea of selling this rig and getting something newer, but it's more than paid for itself in the fuel savings alone from having to drive the Sport Track or the Mustang, because I have a lead foot when I drive the Mustang. It doesn't get very good mileage. And this thing just keeps running. I'll probably keep this thing till it dies. Earlier, I talked about getting more projects. Well, I found one. I just can't show it to you yet, but I can let you hear it. While driving, it does this. I've had this on my bucket list for quite a while now, and it has the added benefit of going to get more projects a lot easier. My goal for 2026 is 50 videos to be released. That'll generally be one a week, so we'll see if I can make that happen. This is video 1. If you've made it this far, thank you. It really helps the algorithm out. What also helps is hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.